Hello, my name is Patrickholmes Onyeogali, and today I'm going to present my informative speech, and the title is going to be the human skeletal system. Basically, I'm going to talk much with my slide here, but before I comment, I proceed, I'd like you to see my audience.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, before I go on, does anyone know anything about human skeleton?
No.
Do you know how many bones we have in the human body? Okay, well, that's why I'm here today, because I'm going to inform you all about that. So in human body, as you can see right here, the humans they've got an internal skeleton, and it is made up of 206 different bones, and then bones are hard and rigid. Okay, and the next slide here, basically, I'm going to concentrate mostly on the functions of the skeleton. The skeleton does a lot. It does like 4 basic things. One, it supports the body and helps to keep it in shape. And the other one, it protects the body's soft organs. For example, when somebody gets into an accident, like you hit your head on the ground, the cranium, which is the skull that covers the brain, helps to keep the brain intact. And another thing they do, it helps us to move around. And believe it or not, bones help us to synthesize the red blood cells. That would be kind of a wonder for you, but that's true. The bones synthesize the red blood cell. And then we have something like different types of bones. We have the long ones and the short ones. The short bones, you can find them in the scapula. I don't want to use those jargons right now, but those bones are the bones you find at the shoulder right here. And again, the next slide talks about one of the longest bone in the body, and one of the longest bone in the body is actually called the femur, and you will find that in the thigh region. Okay, and the biggest bone in the body is called pelvis. Now the ear bones, as you can see here, are the smallest bone in the body. Then we can put the human bones into 3 groups: bones in the head, and the extremities, and the torso. The torso is where you find the spines and the vertebrae, the vertebral column. And as you can see right there, you see the sternum and the ribs. And the spine actually is made up of 33 vertebrae. Okay? And before I let you go, this is the full skeleton, the human skeleton. From the cranium to the ribs to the vertebrae, we call those the exoskeleton. And then the appendages, as you can see, the limbs are there, we call them the appendicular skeleton. So before I let you all go, I will just go ahead and recap what I just said earlier. The main functions of the skeleton is to help us move, they store fats, they help us produce red blood cells, and then they protect the soft tissues in the body. They help us do all that. And this is where I come to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Very good teacher.
Next time you are teaching your class, you are paying
Look at
attention
us.
to us. You are taking-
Look at us.
What is wrong
Don't
with
look
you?
at yourself. But it's okay, man. You did a good job. Is this